All right.
Get a bit closer.
Holy fuck, guys.
Check out the fucking booth. Yeah. That's our, when we started up the company. Come on, bro. When we started up the company, Certified Tech Roofing, it's a triple company. We came up with a slogan, boot it.
Boot it.
Especially for the fucking government and the cops and fucking mental fucking shit. But, so, what we're doing right here, right now, like, it's near the end of the year. You know, there's only a few days left to New Year's.
Yeah.
And we found our business to give out business of the year. It's one of the most coveted awards with certified media. And you know, this is what's the name of the business?
Love One Art. Or Love Latte. Love Latte.
Yeah.
Love Latte.
Love Latte. So it's a small business. Organic coffee and organic tea. Organic, you know, and pastries, sandwiches, and desserts. Like everything you need to conduct business.
And look how warm and cozy inside it is, guys.
It's a work of art. Like, the coffee is superb. And, just take a look. Just take a look.
Real, live plants that require love and attention every day.
Such a work of art. Like the window display is just superb. Like, take a look at the attention to details. Yeah. So for aesthetics and appearance, they get 5 out of 5 stars, and I think we're gonna have to go times 5 on this one.
55 times
They're gonna qualify for the most coveted award of all, business of the decade.
Yeah, they go
Imagine
into
that.
running.
I think
As
they're
business
top
of the
ranked.
year. They
Yeah.
go into running for business of the decade.
Yeah, I think they're
And
one
right
of the
now
top
they're
winners.
they're in the prime position for that.
So we're gonna take a look inside. Did you see how wonderful it is? They even got our company logo in the lights.
The honeycombs
The honeycombs.
and the music.
This is located in Robson Square in the heart of Vancouver, and it's a very nice place. Extremely nice. It's a bit pricey, but you know, like, take a look. Beautiful flowers, live flowers. Where do you get that? Workshop desks. Take a look, boss. Workshop desks. Like the intricate design of this business.
Not to film
We're giving you a
Award.
No,
Business of the Year.
Business of the Year
Certified
Award.
media.
Certified media.
I understand, but you need to give us a heads up because you're filming people here.
Oh yeah, we're not filming people. We're filming your plants.
The business.
The-
Look at
the
these
artwork
amazing.
is just superb.
It's like too good to almost eat, guys. Like,
Yeah.
oh.
It's just amazing artwork. Like seriously. Like it's like the top business of the year. This is one of the most coveted awards. Now they do get graded on many different categories. You know, they got a high star ratage on most categories. You know, there is some categories where they're slipping on, but you know, they won. Well, yeah. So you can hold a conference meeting over there. Big board table over there. And yeah, we would like to give out the award. Hey guys, Certified Media, we got an award for you for Business of the Year.
That's fine. Can you guys
Well, here, just present the award.
Guys, can you please leave?
Well, they got 0 stars for courtesy.
Yeah.
But on all other things, they exceed.
Exalted and exceeded
Yeah.
on all other areas.
For sure. The other lady was much better service, yes.
Can you please leave right now?
Certified.
Can you please right now?
0 stars on that part.
We're gonna call the police right now if you don't leave.